Thoro bedo gi monj e seche ma jopuonjre chako penj madongo mag klas 8 KCPE kod grade mar 6 KPSEA kawuono e pachoka. Jalup komishona ma kaunti ma Garissa Solomon Chesut wacho ni obila mag arita oseore sub-counties ma Fafi, Dadaab, Liboi kod Hulgo mondo mi giket arita makare ne jopuonjre matimo penjgo. Jata chenro mag somo e alwora ma Nyandwat mar piny Kenya Adan Robel wacho ni piny owacho bende oseketo ndeke 6 mag kalapapla matero penj e kuonde ma chenro mag wuodhe mag apaya nitiere kod ng'ikruok kaluwore gi koth mapek mosebedo ka chue e moko kuom gwengego. Kuon jopuonjre maromo 9,856 igeno ni dhi timo penj mar KCPE ka jopuonjre 11,056 dhi timo penj mag KPSEA e kaunti ma Garissa.
And 2 in Garissa. They are fairing exams to areas affected by floods and also areas affected by insecurity. So far, the reports we are getting is all the centers have received the exams without any problem, and everything has been put in place. We have no problems at all. There are no mix-up of exams, and everything is set.
This morning, we have deployed enough police officers within our county. You know, this is a special county because of the challenges of Al-Shabaab and roads which are impassable. We are happy that the government has deployed 2 helicopters on standby, especially to cover the sub-counties along the border, Olugo, Liboi and Fafi. And everything has been set. We believe that we are going to have a good exercise despite the challenges that we have. We can see in front of us this morning, we are set, and I want to assure the students that security will be provided and the government is on standby. We hope that there will be no any challenges along the way.